Hi everyone, I'm Dinesh Reddy from Bangalore. I thank the founder and CEO Dr. G.V. Ramana sir for creating such a vibrant organization for students. Superstar Students and Parents is an excellent place for learning and discovering the potential of every student. I sincerely believe education is the best powerful weapon to shape every student's future. The courses that is being offered in Superstar Students and Parents help the students emphasizing on why, where, what and how to study. It lays a platform for every student to convert their potential into performance. I am very confident that the courses given in Superstar Students and Parents will definitely benefit the students on the journey of success and a grand future saying, I love studies. I sincerely and honestly like the ideology of the organization that is working on to transform each and every student to become power to their future, to their parents and to the nation. I believe Superstar Students and Parents is a God-gifted opportunity for every student to excel in their studies and skills. And also, it helps to plan big, perform big, aim big and achieve big. So if you are looking for an opportunity where you can learn, grow and connect with the like-minded individuals, then you have come to the right place. Come, join us and see for yourself how much more enjoyable and fulfilling dreams can be when you do it. Thank you.